to continue, it is like this. In the Zechariah 14, it is written that his feet shall, and then shall, verse 2 first. If we see the verse 2, I will gather all nations against Jerusalem to battle, and the city shall be taken, and the houses rift, and the woman and rubbish and all. And this verse 3, then shall Jehovah go forth and fight against those nations as when he fought in the day of battle. And his feet shall stand in that day upon the Mount of Olives, which is before Jerusalem on the east, and the Mount of Olives shall cleave in the midst of toward east and toward the west. And there shall be a mountain that shall remove toward the north, and half it will be the south. So, and it shall be flee to the valley of. So you see here, it come to pass that verse 6, it shall come to pass in that day that the light shall not be clear nor dark, but it shall be one day, which shall be known to Jehovah, not day nor night, but it shall come to pass that evening that it shall be light. And in that day it shall be waters go out from that living water shall go out from Jerusalem, half of them toward the former sea, and half of them toward the sea. In the summer and the winter shall it be. So a Jehovah shall be king over all earth in that day, and there be one Jehovah, and his name is one. So you see, it's about when the feet of Mashiach will stand in the Mount of Olive. So to see that this is in the name of Elohim. So this is what is disconnected, the hay, because this represent this place is represent the female ni siya. So, and this is the Bab, the seat of Mashiach also as well. Mashiach or Messiah that will restore. Pag once the time will come in the day with the battle will sit his feet and his name become one. Why become one? Because the Yod He Vav He, with this one, when Mashiach put his feet, because Yeshua is a light, then it is the Vav. This is the Vav, the number 6, and also stand for the what is 6? That is the number of man, diba? Right? Number of man, and this is the how do you remember? I misquote. The number of man. This is this number 6. Okay, so it is all from the earthly. So to make it more in spiritual, that no more light, because this part is all light, and this must be reconnected because it's a dark world. This is the death, the death when the Hava and Adam was thrown out in this place, who received the coat of skin, which is our physical body. So this is what will be the restoration. This is the place of the hay that will connect, and once Mashiach put his feet in the Mount of Olive in Jerusalem, then this will be Ehad. Why become Ehad? Because this is Yod He Vav He, the name of, and this is represent also the female as the bride of Mashiach. The bride of Mashiach that will gather, the nation will be gathered among, and this is the place of the Jerusalem above will come down from heaven. You know that if you can read it in Revelation, it is about people, not the building. It is people will come, those who are saints and who are sitting in the was been went up together when Yeshua after the resurrection he come down to the abyss and then bring those saints in the because that was the restoration of the spiritual of the spiritual things, but the physical is not restored. So only is restored when Mashiach come and restore this place. So this is why when the name of Elohim will be one, this is the Yod He Vav He, this is the Vav, the final Vav. This is called the teaching of the Jewish teaching is the final Vav, which this is will reconnect because it represent the Mashiach. So this is the balimo ni siya mediator to this one, because this is all this forward will apply in from Egypt to the Jerusalem to the Canaan, it will apply also as well. So this is why if you this teaching, this is a very 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 beautiful teaching about this the forwards that will connect to the oneness of Elohim, this place to oneness. This is why if you understand the work of Mashiach, how he restore the the earthly tabernacle. So you Shaul or Paul speak about the heavenly temple. So this is about people, the soul of the people in the core of the body of Mashiach, which is in this place. And there is a service for those who are in this place. So we are here. So this is why we need mediator, as it's written Hebrew 10, that the Mashiach will reconnect, that we can reach from this place, the heavenly temple. So when the name of Elohim become one, this is the final hay, the female represent. This is represent the hay. It is from this female is from Rachel. This is from Rachel, you know, and the Bina, which is come from here in the Asilot, which is represent the Bina. It is from Leah. Okay, so that is the Bina, but it is a very complex teaching, which is di na ko share pa ng dapita. So because it also represent the tree and the human human anatomy, this body, and the 10 Sepirot. This is really fit all together, and by through the Torah, then you will understand this, how become this very deep. The name of Elohim become one. Why it become one? Yeshua speak about the oneness of the Father and him in John 17. So you have to see that in John 17. You must be one with me and the Father. So because this represent the Bab, which is Mashiach, that to be ihad in the oneness of the Father. So it is above you, Yod He Vav He. So it become one. So when this is restored, this is will become when this place with the final redemption, when the return of Mashiach, when he put his seat in Jerusalem. So this is the very beautiful. It become ehad, the Yod He Vav He. This is why it is written in verse. There is no more. You know it. Yeah, when he said here in verse 6, it shall come to pass in that day that the light shall not be clear nor dark, but it shall be one day. Shall be known to you, not day nor night, but it shall come to pass that evening time it shall be light. So it is a full of light. This one ma-disappear na ang darkness in this place, because the victory it is in Yeshua HaMashiach when he return and put his feet to fight all the battles from this who wants to take Jerusalem. So it will be the oneness of Elohim. So this will be the very, very wonderful teaching of Mashiach, and to understand the oneness of Elohim. So now we are still divided in this place, and until the light comes down. And this is why when you mind the things above, then it is you are in the oneness of the Father. But if we are minding in the earthly, then we are in the division or disconnected into the oneness of Elohim. So this is why, because of our evil inclination, our flesh, our ego is the one who rule in us, which is to be put into balance so that we can be in the harmony in above. Hallelujah. So I hope you get a little understanding from this teaching. Shalom, shalom.